I rest? Where do I play? It feels as though I've been up in this gridlock for days. Still I'm hoping that this shit stops, but hey, whatever happened to the hip-hop parades? It ain't funny, I could get shot today. Man's hold buckies and the chicks clocking the praise. I wish it wasn't the case, but to them it's not and it's okay. This world seems far from genuine. Seeing all this almost makes it hard remembering times when my mind was occupied with computer games. It's all changed and I couldn't tell you who's to blame. Move and gain, I'm just hoping I might bust. Maybe then there'll be no need catching the night bus. This means a lot to me, I never just write stuff. It's funny what you see along the roads of your life, but life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Already 20 years old, now that can't be right. Why do I feel like I've already lived half my life? People telling me that death is a part of life, but they're all lost for words when I ask them why. So many things on my mind, so I start to write, wondering if in this battle I'm a last to fight. Me, my brother, my uncle, then my heart we're tight. We converse through the night till a spark of light. Nowadays chicks, them, they ain't half as bright. All cutting up their chest for a larger size. The kind of man you will attract in the park at night. The kind of man that will approach you with a mask and knife. I don't laugh, I cry, these the hardest times. Apart from rhymes, I'm trying to feed my starving mind. I ask a lot of questions I can't deny, but I'd be fibbing if I knew where all the answers lie. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move.
Serious, yo. When we get in the game, it will get deadly serious. You'll be feeling us, not just hearing us. The time is nearing, trust, prepare for us. It's clear to us there's not enough space here to bust. It won't be just what happens usually. We'll explode and leave a hole where London used to be. Bare used just be whining like they're big men. When the arms meet blood, don't bring a gun, bring a pen and a pad. And while you're writing in the meanwhile, to pay for your cheap talk, I'll rip you with a freestyle. Evil and good, fake and real, there's a war in this. But there's an orifice, I'll lead you through like Morpheus. I'm less patient, can't take much more of this. Cheap talk, cheap hoes, cheap thrills. TV's not reality, reality's too ill. So what's it gonna be, the red or the blue pill? Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Better get used to it, I'm gonna be about on bare days. There's gonna be bare rain up in the airwaves. I lied about hearing us when we spit this stuff. All 5 of your senses will pick it up. We'll be around for time and so vivid. So don't worry, if you blink, you won't miss it. For all those trying to mess with mine, no lay. I make tracks get left behind. Eat my dust, beef, I'll eat man's up. I'll rain so hard that your fake bling will rust. No long thing, a matter of life and death. I'll spit rhymes till there's no other rhymer left. If life's a game, then you better find a ref. I'm deadly serious, not much time is left. I'm coming, the name's Rain. Best remember, it's gonna rain from January to December. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. lynx eyes, I'm deadly serious. L-Y-N-X, that spells deadly. E-Y-E-D, that spells serious.
Fully charged, yeah. Listen, said I'm fully charged. Freestyling, you don't know it. Throw it, explode it. From the top of the dome, I blow it like it's wind sailing through the leaves and the trees. I camouflage, fly with the bees. Niggas see me in the sky in the form of a cloud. Spit to the crowd, get loud. Wow, my whole style since a child been Millie. Slap a nigga till the dome just silly. What you want? Pop, Willie pop, jitty what? Freestyle in the bottom of the gut, and it's so dramatic like the ocean's crashing in the form of waves. I'm a walk in the rave, and when I pop my style, you get transformed from the name to a civilized man with the mic in the hand instead of a gat. You wanna strap something else? Follow me back. Listen, yo, run it back though, run it back though. I run this race like an athlete, run this pace. MCs wanna change, get raised, the mic get laced. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. This I roll with hectic and some monstrous. And it's like the microphone I'm kissing. Use my intuition from the dome, just chin. Leave your whole mind itching, scratching your scalp. Cold like out when I roll flows. Niggas don't know them out that I pose with, froze with, codes with, so cold with since the school days. Who choose who's the blaze when I plays? Press play, press stop, pause, rewind, blow with the mind. Penetrate your whole spine, make you wind your waist, and I'm finding a place, my whole style. This is hip hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. This I roll with hectic and some monstrous dudes that be on the rap scene. From the Paco to Hackney, whatever you call it, slang the man. I walk with a little twang in my hand. With a bop and my sword and my glistening from the back when I style of the rap. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. When I flip flows acrobatically like some gymnasts, get panicky, and my whole style is just anarchy. From the court of the keys, my reward is to please. Whatever the keys say, I do say, please say. Wanna talk about the he say, she say. I'm on I double. The game's in trouble, I bubble with the crowd till the war start to rumble, and my whole style throwing it hard. This is hip hop apocalypse. This is hip hop apocalypse. Make my people rejoice, it's oi. Till I'm pushing a Roy's roast. Get roast, be the host with the most. Your whole face is toast. In the force of my heat and you're forced to retreat. Get defeat when the force of defeat. 1,000 man's marching from the force of my heat. From the chest, yes, rest to impress. And I'm from the double S, blessed to your S when I'm don't know breasts with the best. And I'm dirty G-Low marksman and Emma, J. Vaughn and even Carnage. Even though we gone with the styles that nobody talks about. It's like the true food of eyes youth and you're all watching and listening. Yo.
We in the spot and it's live. Tell your peeps stop by. Too many flaggers around. I'm the talk of the town. Yeah, who's coming down? And we not related if you ain't out for that paper. Party hard and smile harder for a hater. Hey, I'm major. 8 words like later. Go get to tell them they best by my makeup. I'm amazing, baby, and wasting a moment. I guess that's what makes me. Everybody needs to be. Spend money, live free. Get it poppin' tonight, and we out for the night to the AM. Yeah, it's going down. Grab your keys, head up this way, and come around. Over here. Start rolling out. Everybody start rolling out. Start rolling out. Everybody start rolling. You need to come this way. I deserve my space. Tell your friends, call them all, tell them all. What? Whoa. Hey, I be holding it down. Ain't no messing around. These pockets is right. I'm the hottest in sight. Yeah, it's going down, going down. And you can't be fam if you ain't out there grinding, out there grinding. Nino was that.